Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Alienware 13 laptop driver. So first you have to come this website www.dell.com. Then click on support and then click on driver download. Then you enter the name, Alienware 13, select this. After that you can see this like this screen. Scroll down, select the driver. You can click on automatic, so automatically you will install driver. If you want to facing some issue selected, so you can select the driver, then select the first operating system, scroll down, then click on category so you can easy to find, then scroll down. This is BIOS driver, this is NVIDIA, and you can see the all driver you can see here. Chipset driver, and click to download. And it is completed, it will show automatically. Just click on it and then yes, then extract, and you can install directly. So install, click on install, then next, I accept, install. So you can see the chipset driver installing. So it is completed. After that you can see installation successfully complete. Just click on finish.